Hello everyone, welcome to this session of an academy. Today we are going to discuss a previous year question which was came in the examination of CAT, and we are going to discuss the pie chart section of data interpretation. So have a look over these two pie charts. First one has been providing us with the revenue, and the revenue of the total company is 1800 crores. Second one is providing us with the profit, and the profit of this company is 10% of the total profit margin. That means 10% of 1800 will be equal to 180. Or you can solve this under this notion. But I genuinely, genuinely request everyone not to opt for this process, because this will not only stagnate your growth as well as will hamper your calculations also, and there will be a lot of opportunities for wrongdoings during the calculation. So now come to the part A. 16.67% can be termed as 1 by 6. That means A is earning 300 crores. Now B is 25%. 25% means 1 by 4. That means 25% of 1800 will be equal to 450 crores. 33.33% will be equal to one third. One third of 1800 crores will be equal to 600 crores. 16.67 again is equal to 300 crores. Now we are having 300, 300, 600. Here we are having 600, and here we are having 450. This means this sector C is having only 150 crores. So we are having A, B, C, D, and E. The revenue of A is 300 crore. The revenue of B is 450 crores. The revenue of C is 150 crores. The revenue of D is 300 crores. And the revenue of E is 600 crores. Now here, look over the profit section. First of all, don't confuse with the color composition. Don't think that the A has been given with royal blue color, so this will also dedicated to the, or this sector is also dedicated to the A. This is not the case over here, because the profit sector has not mentioned us A, B, C, or D, or E in the terms of sector. Profit sector has not mentioned anything. Now 180 crores has to be distributed in these percentage. Now these percentage are tricky, because here we are having all the percentage which have proper fractional values in terms of integers. But here we don't have, or a normal candidate don't know the proper integral value or the fractional value of 19.44%. So we are going to use the approximation over here. We know that 16.67% means 1 by 6, and 1 by 6 of 180 is equal to 30. Now 22.22% means 2 by 9, and 2 by 9 of 180 means 40 crores. Now please listen very carefully. 19.44% is same amount greater than 16.67, which 22.22% is lesser than 6.67. That means 19.44 has to lie between 30 and 40 crores. That means this will be approximately equal to 35 crores. Now again listen to me very carefully. 13.89% is approximately same amount lesser than 16.67%, which is 19.44% is greater than 16.67%. That means if 16.67 is 30 and 19.44 is 35, there is a difference of 5%. So here is also a difference of 5%. That means this will be equal to 25. Now 25, 35, 60, 40, 130, we are remained with only 50 crores. Now the profit we are having in our hand is 35 crores, 40 crores, 25 crores, 30 crores, 50 crore. And the major issue is we can't assign our profit in this lineup or in this column in our given table. Now we have to read the instruction given over here. The division with the largest revenue has the least profit margin. Now understand what is profit margin. Profit margin is something which you are earning as a percentage in terms of profit. For example, if you have invested like 100 rupees in the market and you earned 50%, then you are earning 50 rupees. But someone has invested 1 lakh rupees in the market, and that person is earning only 10% as the profit. That person is earning much higher profit than your profit. Although your margin is greater, but your profit is not greater. Margin is something which we can assimilate or term in percentage, but profit is something which is the sheer value of that percentage. So there might be a chance the person with the largest revenue share might not be having the highest percentage or having the least profit margin, but not having the least profit, because his revenue is much greater than the lesser ones. Now, the division with the profit margin higher than all other generate the least profit. That means there is a division where the profit margin is higher than all the profits margin we are generating. Exactly one division has the same profit margin as the overall company. Now, the overall company is earning 10%. 10% profit margin in the terms of 50, 30, 25, 40, and 35 is only related with 300 crores, because only 300 crore can become 30 crores if we apply 10% profit. Neither 45 crore is going to become any number given in the we have find in the profit sector, not 600 crore is going to become any number which we have find in the profit sector, not 150 crore is going to become any number which we have find in the profit sector. Only 300% has the capacity to become 30 crore, and 30 crore is the number which we have find in the profit sector. Now solve. 300 crore is over here also and over here also. Company D generates more profit than company E. Now listen very carefully. Company E is not earning 25 crore because that's the least profit, and company E is not earning the least profit is given in the question. That means it's not assigned with 25 crores. Now company D need to be higher with respect to company E. That means if company E was earning, or company E is earning 25 crore, in this scenario only company D will become 30 crore, which was higher than company E. But company E is not earning 25 crore. That means company A will become 30%. That means A is earning the margin of 10%. Now 30 crore is assigned with A. So this sector is assigned with A. See, this percentage is telling us how much percent of this amount, but this percentage is telling us how much profit margin we are earning right now. So we have to understand each and every aspect of this question very carefully, because this is a very tricky question and takes a lot of time in the examination if you are going to perform this question. Although we need very simple calculation over here. The division with the largest revenue has the least profit margin but not the least profits. So E cannot become 25 as well as cannot become 30 also, because A is assigned with 30 crores. Now E is left with only two options, either 35 crores or 40 crores, because D needs to be on the higher end with respect to E. That means we have to leave the highest profit value for D. Now 35 is here, 40 is here. D will also be either 40 crores or 50 crores because D has to be on the higher end with respect to EC. I am repeating this again and again because this statement will play a huge role. Now, see, exactly one division has the same profit margin. The division with the profit margin higher than all other generates the least profit. Now, please try to understand which one is going to generate the least profit, although that person is having the highest margin. The one whose revenue will be least in the market. That means the least profit will be assigned with the least or the sorry, the least profit will be assigned with the least revenue, but the margin here is very, very, very high. So margin we are going to deduce over here is approximately 16.67%. I think so. Let me calculate. Yeah, 16.67%. So this will be the highest margin we are gaining right now. Is it fine? Now, if B is going to earn, see, listen very carefully. If B is going to earn 50 crores, if B is going to earn 50 crores, then B will be on the higher end with 11.1111% margin. If B is going to earn 50 crores, then D is going to earn 16.67%, and that's not possible because the highest margin over here is assigned with only C. So D, there is a compulsion that D has to earn only 40 crores and E has to earn only 35 crores and B has to earn 50 crores. See, that's the beauty of it. If you keep repeating several things again and again, if you keep repeating it in your mind, you will have a fine understanding what question is trying to ask. So, E is earning approximately 5.83% margin and D is earning approximately 13.33% margin and B is earning approximately 11.11% margin. We have completed the table. Now, have a look over this. How much profit did A make? How much profit is A is making right now? 30 crores. So answer will be 30 crores. How much profit did A make? Again, question, how much profit did E make or how much profit E is earning? That is 35 crore. We have find the value of E in terms of monetary profit, which was 35 crores. Now, what was the profit margin for company B? See, we have also find the profit margin with respect to the revenue, and the profit margin of company B was 11.11%. So 11.11% is the answer over here. So this was the basic example of a little bit more than mediocre level of question in CAT LRDI. So I hope you understand the concept. You understand the basic calculations you are going to require for DI, and there is a dire need. If you have to solve the DI, then DI is not the simple maths or the arithmetic which you used to solve in many other exams like SSC, CGL, or even in CAT also. It's not like solving arithmetic questions. It's a little bit different. You need a little bit different approach, and you have to use your logical ability at your max to perform if you really want to perform well. So thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone. Take care, everyone.